morning. Welcome to this short morning flow. It's a class that's suitable for all levels, so I'll be providing different variations and modifications if you're more of a beginner. And welcome to the cabin. We have a bit of a wet autumn morning here. You'll need your mat, and we'll come straight away to standing for today's class, bringing toes to touch, lifting up tall through your kneecaps, tall through your chest, open through your palms, and just closing your eyes, arriving here on your mat. Noticing your inhale and your exhale through your nose. And setting the intention for today's class of presence, to be here and now, to be not running ahead or getting lost in thoughts in the past, but to be right here. Bring your hands together at your heart, and we'll begin with some nice slow movement. Inhale, reaching overhead, and then exhale, generous bend in the knees, coming to a forward fold. Letting your head go, swaying from side to side, just waking up your body. Inhale, hands to shins, extending through your spine, halfway lift. Exhale, folding forward. Let's do that again. Inhale, hands to shins. Exhale, release. And then inhale, rising to stand, hands reach overhead, palms touch into your heart center. Closing your eyes again. Inhale, hands reach, grabbing hold of left wrist with right hand, and a gentle side stretch to the right, opening up through the left side ribs, pressing down through both feet. Breathing into the space. Inhale, hands reach, and then switching sides. Left hand onto right wrist, pulling yourself to the left side. Inhale, hands up. And then right hand reaches behind you, left hand in front. We're in a standing twist. So drawing your right hip to the front of the room. It has a tendency to pull back. Einar has come to join us this morning. He's looking a bit wet. Coming back to center, hands reach overhead, and then twisting left side. So left hand back, right hand forward, looking to the back, but drawing left hip forward. Coming back to center, reaching, and then bending your knees, folding forward. Inhale, hands to shins, halfway lift. Hands to the mat, stepping back into plank, dropping to your knees, lowering forward over your wrists, and then coming all the way down, chaturanga, and then into cobra for our first one. Just staying in cobra for a bit longer, moving through the hips, extending through the hands, pushing away, and then tucking your toes under, pushing back, downward facing dog. Reconnecting inward, closing your eyes, extending through your spine. Right foot steps in between your hands, front of the mat, dropping your left knee, reaching both arms, low lunge. Exhale, hands to the mat, flexing your front foot, half split. And then we're going to flow between the two. So low lunge, and then pulling back, half split. Finding your own rhythm here. Inhaling low lunge, and then exhaling half split. Staying in your half split. And then turning to face the side of the mat. So your right foot is still extended, but it's now, toes are all facing the long side of the mat. You're kneeling on your left leg, opening up into our gate pose. Right hand to right leg, opening up, side stretch again. And then left hand to the mat, planting your hand, reaching right hand to the sky. We're in a side plank variation. And then you can lift that right leg, bending your right knee, catching your foot with your hand, opening up through your chest, compass pose. Looking up to the sky, sending your breath to your hip. Beautiful, releasing, coming up. And then from here, let's turn to the back of the mat. Stepping back into downward facing dog, rippling forward into plank, lowering down chaturanga. Up dog, so lifting the legs this time, and pulling back, downward facing dog. Deep breaths right to the belly. Nice loud breathing here. You should be able to hear your inhale and your exhale. This time stepping left foot front of the mat, dropping right knee, low lunge, lifting your arms up, sinking down in your front hip. And then flexing through the front foot, coming into half split and finding our flow between the two. We meet in half split, and then from here planting left foot, turning to the long edge of the mat, coming up into gate pose. So right knee is planted, so knee and shoulder in line, coming up, and then left hand to left leg, lifting right hand up and over, gentle side stretch. And then planting your right hand, coming up into our side plank variation, lifting left leg, bending your knee, catching your hand, opening up through the chest. And then releasing hand and leg, turning back. Now we're at the very front of the mat where we started, coming down with both knees and just sitting on your knees. Letting your breath flow through your body. Coming to sit on our mat, extending through the legs. Make sure you're sitting on your sit bones, so removing the flesh. Lifting up tall and then hinging from your hips, reaching forward, seated forward fold. Using your breath here. Beautiful morning sounds at the cabin. We have our nice morning alarm, Ano. Coming up, bending your knees and then lowering all the way down onto your back, hugging your knees into chest. Planting your feet, we're going to come into bridge pose, so make sure your feet are nice and close. Planting your hands on the mat, engaging through the glutes, pushing up through the hips, and then clasping your hands under you so that your hands are on the mat, lifting tall through your hips and glutes, pushing away. Releasing down, and then we're going to slowly release everything down to the mat. Letting go of any tension, closing your eyes. Shavasana, corpse pose. Slowly moving fingers and toes. Bringing knees into chest. And then gently coming up, making your way to a seated position, having eyes still closed, hands on your knees, tall through your spine. And just feeling any changes in the body. Maybe you're feeling lighter, maybe more grounded. Bringing your palms together at your heart, blinking open your eyes. We'll do one round of breath to finish. In through the nose, out through the mouth. So inhaling, holding at the top, and then let it all go through the mouth. Bowing your head towards your hands. Namaste. Thanks for joining me this morning. I hope you've enjoyed today's class. If you have, leave a like, a comment, and feel free to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next class.